Metal roofs are everywhere in Florida. They last long, they look clean, but here's the thing. They are not perfect. In this video, we're going to show you the real pros, cons, and things roofers don't always tell you. In part 1, we broke down the basics, what metal roofs are, how much they cost, and why insurance companies love to push them. But that was just the beginning. This info could save you time, money, and major stress later on. Yes, metal roofs can last 40 to 50 years, but that doesn't mean they're set it and forget it. Every year, you should check the edges of the roof, around vents or pipes sticking out, where the roof touches a wall or a chimney. Look for cracked sealant, loose screws, or rust spots. Why? Because water sneaks into tiny gaps, and when it's in, it spreads fast, even with a brand new metal roof. This is like checking your car's tires. Small issues now, big savings later. Metal roofs are strong, but they come with a few surprises most homeowners don't hear about until it's too late. Wavy panels. Ever seen a metal roof that looks bumpy or warped? That's called oil cannon. It happens when the panels aren't installed right or the metal is too thin, and once it shows up, you're stuck with it. Loud rain. Without a good insulation, heavy rain sounds like someone banging pots on your ceiling. Some people don't mind, others hate it. But this happens when you got a terrible installation. Expansion and shrinking. Florida heat makes metal expand during the day and shrink at night. If it's not installed correctly, that movement can loosen screws, bend panels, or even cause leaks. These aren't deal breakers, but you need to know before spending $40,000 on a roof. Done right, metal roofs can help lower your AC bills, especially with reflective paint or coatings. Use recycled materials and be 100% recyclable again later. Qualify for tax credits or energy rebates. But here's the catch. Not all metal roofs are built for energy savings. The color, material, and install method matter. Before you get excited about that modern metal look, check with your HOA. In areas like Coral Gables or Kendall, some styles are blocked or need approval. Even if metal is allowed, color and panel design can be restricted. You don't want to install a $40,000 roof and get a violation letter 2 weeks later. Many companies offer zero-down financing, but here's what to watch for. Are you paying interest only for the first year? Are there hidden fees if you pay it off early? Is the monthly payment actually affordable long-term? If it sounds too easy, ask more questions. If you're still considering a metal roof, that's great, but do it smart. Ask the right questions, watch for financing pressure, and make sure you hire someone who specializes in metal, not just roofing in general. We'll give you a free inspection, walk you through the facts, and help you decide what's right, even if it means keeping the roof you have a little longer. See you in the next video.